All right, today we're going to start going over functions. Couple things. We have a test on Thursday. Report card grades are also due on Friday as well. All right. So let's go ahead and look at the assignment. You can do most of this on your calculator. Actually, you can do all of it on your calculator, right? Don't worry about that. First slide, go ahead and just jump to the second slide. So what you're gonna do here is these are functions, these y equal to 4x, y equal to 5x squared. So what they want you to do is what I want you to do is I want you to replace this x with this number right here, all right? So right here in this box, you would type in y is equal to 4, and wherever there was an x, put parentheses around it, and you want to put that number -1, all right? -1. All right. Over here, same thing. They want this function, but they want to find out when 0, your input value, what's your y value? So you're going to type it in the same way, So everything stays the same except the x now becomes a 0. All right. Same way over here, when you type this one in, you're going to type y equal to in 5 squared plus 4. And then this number here will become a -2. All right. So this right here, that number there will be a 0. You guys see what I'm doing? All you're doing is they give you a function, your input, your domain is X. You replace it with that number, right? And then what you're going to do is get your output, which is Y, which is pretty easy. You're just going to type it into the calculator. Same way over here, you would just type it in. All right. Now this number they want you to plug in is sorry, that thing is getting in the way as always. Is going to be a 3, right? So now once you have it set up, what you're going to do is type this one in to the calculator, everything to the right of the equal sign. So you'll type in 4, open parentheses, and it was -1 minus 2, press enter, and you get -6, all right? So that's your output value. And once you're done with your output value, in here in this box, you'll write -1, comma, -6, all right? Same thing here, type in 4, open parentheses, 0 minus 2. So your output value when x is 0 is -2, all right? -2. And then when you write it as a coordinate point, you'll write your x, which is 0, then -2, all right? Same thing over here. When you type this into the calculator, you'll type in 5, open parentheses, -2 squared plus 4. So you get 24. So we'll type in -2 comma 24. All right. So that's all you're doing. So you guys can go ahead and finish these up. All right. If you go to the next slide, it's the same idea. So here they give you a function and they want to see what your output value is when x is -2. So what you'll type into the calculator is -2. What you'll type into calculator over here is you'll use the same function, but you'll type in 0. What you'll type over here is 5. All right. And then just type this into the calculator. We'll type in 2, -2 squared plus 1. What do we get? 9. And that's what you would type in there. All right. Then you type this one in 2, just open parentheses, close the parentheses, squared plus 1, and you get 1. Same thing here. Type in 2, open parentheses, 5 squared plus 1. And you get 51. Now remember what this really means is that your input, which is your domain, -2, whenever you input that into the function, your output is 9, all right? Whenever you input 0 into the function, your output is 1, all right? Whenever you plug in 5 into the function, your output's 51. On this one, you would use this function as well, and you set it up like that. All right? Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Hopefully this clears up any misconceptions on function notation. All right. Reminder, we have a test on Thursday, and we also have report cards due on Friday. All right. Have a good rest of the day, night, or morning.